Welcome to another deep dive on Crypto Pulse. In this episode, we'll explore Bitcoin's unstoppable network growth, the rise of a politically charged stablecoin that could reshape the market, and Ethereum's promising outlook as it gears up for a potential long-term rally. Let's jump right in. Bitcoin's network stronger than ever. The numbers don't lie, Bitcoin's hash rate has just hit a new all-time high. For those new to the term, hash rate measures the total computational power securing the Bitcoin blockchain. The higher the hash rate, the harder it is for attackers to compromise the network, making Bitcoin more resilient than ever. This milestone signals two things. First, miners are confident in Bitcoin's future profitability. Despite fluctuating price levels, they're doubling down with stronger hardware and bigger investments. Second, it shows how mature Bitcoin has become. It's not just a speculative asset anymore. It's a global financial network that continues to harden itself against threats. For investors, that's a strong reassurance that Bitcoin's foundation remains rock solid, even when prices take a dip. USD1, a new challenger to Tether and USDC. Now let's pivot to stablecoins, which are arguably the most practical use case for crypto today. Reports suggest that USD1, a new stablecoin backed by Donald Trump's political allies, could surpass both Tether and USDC by 2028. That's a bold claim, considering Tether has dominated the stablecoin market for years, acting as the go-to liquidity pair across exchanges. But here's the angle. USD1 could find strong adoption if political forces in the US push it as the patriotic stablecoin. Regulatory favor could tilt the balance dramatically, especially as governments globally tighten their grip on stablecoins. If USD1 really does rise to the top, it could completely reshape liquidity dynamics in crypto, reducing Tether's dominance and giving American regulators more influence over stablecoin flows. For traders, that could mean shifts in where liquidity pools exist and how pairs are structured, changes that directly affect market strategies. Ethereum's bullish path ahead. Finally, let's talk about Ethereum. Analysts are looking closely at data suggesting Ethereum may just be warming up for a long-term bull run. Factors like increased staking participation, network upgrades, and rising adoption of Ethereum-based applications are fueling this optimism. What's fascinating is how Ethereum continues to solidify its position as more than just a cryptocurrency. It's the backbone of decentralized finance, NFTs, and countless applications that define Web3. With each new Layer 2 solution and scalability improvement, Ethereum becomes not just a token to hold, but infrastructure to build upon. If Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is becoming digital real estate, a platform where builders keep expanding the ecosystem. And that wraps up today's second episode. Bitcoin's network keeps breaking records. USD1 could disrupt the stablecoin hierarchy, and Ethereum shows signs of a marathon bull run. In crypto, narratives shift fast, but the fundamentals keep growing stronger. Thanks for tuning into Crypto Pulse. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next update on the ever-changing world of digital assets.